So the third thing you should not do during a SQL interview is do not wait until the end to test your code. Let's kind of play a role within each other because a lot of people are doing a bunch of leak code and then just going off and, sitting in front of a computer during an interview, writing code for 30 minutes and then realizing, oh shit, I messed up somewhere along the way. It's too late. You don't have enough time to go back and fix it. So what you got to do is you have to test iteratively. So that's the third thing of what you should do is actually test iteratively. Okay. So there's actually a really, really smart way that you can go about testing iteratively. I call this method breaking up the question. You have a SQL question, right? It's asking you for A, B, C, D, right? And it's asking you to do, a find the revenue for the last 5 years broken down by category, right? What you can do is you can break up the question. So you could take that question, break it up into 3 chunks, right? So now you know, hey, I need to find revenue. I need to find it for the last 5 years, and I need to break it down by category. Now, all of a sudden, what starts to happen is you start to create the pseudocode for every single piece of this question. Because now you know this is a sum revenue. This is a where clause, right? With the 5 years. Here is a group by statement, right? So when you actually break down the question, you create the pseudocode, make your life easier to actually write the code. So with that said, I'm going to give you one little surprise bonus, right? And I think this bonus is basically the overarching theme. The number one overarching theme of all of this is to remember this one thing. The grading for SQL is not just, did you get the right answer? Did you get the wrong answer?